Good morning. We're currently at M4 track where we want to experience the rough terrain mode of the latest Isuzu D-Max X-Terrain. We've invited friends to experience 8 different stations and the toughness of the rough terrain and off-road of the Isuzu D-Max X-Terrain. At Isuzu, we don't just speak, we prove it.
Without brake. Oh. Jangan tekan brake.
Hebatnya! 他帮我踩 brake， 因为没有想象中恐怖哎。
Tenang je dia naik macam tu.
Oh my god! I'm amazed dia boleh panjat macam ni.
Gila
Ah, this car got power lah.
Wow,
Among all the course, which is the most fun, exciting one?
The 40 degrees one, that one don't need myself to brake. I just let it go.
Let it go.
Let it go.
It's just click a button to hold the steering, but you just do nothing with your leg and it just go down smoothly.
Wow.
That's like the best part.
肯定是那个过水的。
Dalam air tu.
Awak duduk Shalam ke?
Ya.
当我拥有这辆车的时候，我觉得我更有信心可以就是过这些积水的马路。
Water wading experience is amazing. Like I can pass through an 800 millimeters water height.
3 perkataan untuk describe D-Max X-Terrain yang baru ini.
强，
Berbaloi.
Amazing.
Senang je.
非常的越野，
Powerful.
Memang mantap.
很有信心的，厉害，勇啊，rasa selamat。
安全感。
觉得它真的是一个很 powerful 的车 ，good for everyone, luxurious, comfortable, and aesthetic. Very demure.
Very demure.
Yes,
So you
that
got
one.
4 there. Well, this time around, we've brought to you beauties to try out our strong-built rough terrain Isuzu D-Max X-Terrain. You've seen the beauties, each and every one of them being able to go through every one of our course. In one way or the other, we don't lack safety, we don't lack the build, we don't lack the luxury. You want to bet and try? I'll see you at the show.